sigarilyo, walang kung ano-ano. Busy kami sa mga gawaing para sa kabutihan ng kapwa. Marami kang gagawin ba't naman ikaw magsusugal maghapon? You have to do so many good things in life. We were designed by God to do good things in life, not to spend our life in vices, in worldly things that are prevalent in our days. Now, people are busy in entertaining themselves. They are going shopping, going around the world, seeing places, sightseeing, partying, etc. But they have no time for God. You see, invite them in places like this where the word of God will be preached and will be heard. They do not like. They do not like. Their hearts is on worldly things. Worldly things is the best.